Exercise 6, Level 1, Bird Dog Arm Lift. Begin in the quadruped position on your hands and knees. You can do this exercise on the floor or on the bed. If on the bed, use a firm mattress. Now draw in your belly button towards your spine and at the same time pull up the muscles in the floor of your pelvis. Then raise and stretch the left arm forward. Hold this position for a count of 10. You can continue to breathe while holding the position. Then return the arm back to the starting position. Alternate with the other arm. Repeat 3 times. Exercise 6, Level 1, Bird Dog Arm Lift. So engage your core, pull your the belly button in and the pelvic floor up, and then lift your arm up forwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swap and the opposite arm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.